Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's unboxing time. 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 Yay! Woo! 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 So, well, obviously, it's just another day, another parcel. Hey. So, I actually bought new watercolors. Basically, I don't have any watercolors, so before this, I only have acrylics, and that's it. And that's it. That's pretty it. I don't have watercolors, so here I am. Wait, let me grab the scissors. So for the last episode of me unboxing things, I didn't use scissors, so it's like, never mind. We'll just use scissors for now on. From now on. Okay, I'm just gonna show off my chain here. Oh, this is the acrylic paint that I made a mess just now, but it's okay. So let's unbox this. First, take the edge here. Oh, it's already broken. Mesti campak-campak. Ni mesti JNT yang campak-campak. It's okay, I maafkan you guys. Whoa, okay, chill. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ta-da! Yeah, you can't see it yet. Okay, yet. Okay, let's ASMR for a moment. Oh. So yeah, I'm kind of excited for this new watercolor. It's about beli kat Shopee tu tau, and it only costs for 33 ringgit. And I'll put the link down below if you guys interested with it. Banyak betul lapisan dia. I rasa macam balut. Tak nak cakap. Sikit lagi. Bagus lah. I mean, like, the packaging is good sebab look at this. There are lots of plastic here. More plastic. And more plastic. But why is it so hard? Oh. Is it the end already? Never mind. You know, we got this thing. Aisha is dumb. Struggles, yeah. Okay, almost there. Look at the packaging. Cantik. cantik. Ada macam bag, you know, this kind of bag. See? Okay, let's open this thing. I'm excited. I'm excited.
Kenapa bodoh sangat? Kenapa? Cuba bagi tahu, kenapa?
Wait. Oh. Look at that. Wait. Hold on. Din 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 din. It's pink. It's pink. Oh. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, it's pink color. Cantik. We got 48 colors here. Solid watercolor paint set and pigment. Well, let's try it on my next video, whether it's pigment or not. Ta-da! Oh, there's watercolor paper too. Bapak best. Bapak seronok. Oh my god. Real quality watercolor paper. Oh. They nipis. But never mind. Still watercolor paper though. Is it cotton? Yes, it's cotton. Okay. Ahaha! Yes! I can't read. Never mind. Oh. Oh my god. Look at the colors. Macam eyeshadow dah. Okay, tak. Kena letak air dulu. What is this? Drawing pencil. Cantik. Because it's pink. And what is this? White watercolor. Oh, it's basically white color here. And what else? Ah, I love this thing. So good. Oh, salah. Yeah. It's soft and you can put water in here and just like play the colors around. Okay. Cool. Oh no. Alright. And you got a free brush. No, it's not a free actually. It's like in the set sekali you can. Macam mana ni? Nak keluarkan? Tak yalah. Sponge for nothing, I guess. I don't know. I don't know how to use this long sponge. But probably I'm gonna learn with it. Yeah, that's pretty it. Oh mak kau. Aku nak tunjuk macam mana ni. Aduh, nasyid langgar je. Nantilah aku tunjuk dekat-dekat. Sekejap Why I'm whispering. Look at the colors, man. I mean, dope. It's really dope. There's a green neon too. Wow, amazing. And a neon pink. Amazing. And neon yellow here. Amazing. Neon blue. Amazing. Oh my god. This is the perfect palette for me. my god, I really hope it's pigmented though. Sebab, yelah, dah beli kan. Cantik pula tu. Cantik. Got paper. Oh! Tengok ni. Hello. Okay. Absorbent sponge and water brush. Cool. Well, that's basically it. I ada beli watercolor paper juga tau. But then, tak sampai lagi. So, I'm gonna wait for another 2 days. Or maybe 1. I'm not sure. But it's on their way lah. So, I'm just gonna wait for a while. Then, we can go continue to make lots of tutorials with watercolor. Cik, padahal acrylic punya tutorials pun tak buat apa-apa pun kan. Ajar je. So, well, apa nak cerita? Oh, before I end this video, I would like to say that my previous video, the latest video that I have made for this one guy, is actually my friend. Only a friend. I swear to God. Bukan boyfriend ke? Ya ke bukan boyfriend? Ya ke? Ya. Boyfriend soon to be. Kot. Tak tahu.
Ya ke tak tahu? Ke kau ini denial? Kau tak nak mengaku kan sebenarnya? Kau tak nak mengaku kan?
Expose pula. Never mind. But for now, we're just friends though. I mean, I'm still like kenal him and he's like kenal me. So that's pretty it. We're just friends. Friends, okay? Berapa kali aku nak explain ni? Faham tak? Berapa kali nak cakap? Huh? Okay, itu je. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video down below. And what else? Put a comment down below. Anything that you feel from this video. I don't know. Just comment lah. I don't care lah if you want to comment some shitty things. I'm just fine. I'm fine. Period. And that's all from me. Bye bye.